How many for sale by owners have you met with this week? It's Friday, face to face. If your answer is 0, you are sabotaging your real estate business through laziness and lack of effort. Period. We know that for sale by owners cannot sell their home now that the market slowed down. We know that they're listing with agents. We know statistically 88% of them or 89% of them are going to list with an agent anyway. That's 90%, 9 out of 10 are going to list with an agent. You know that's the case. You can for free, for $0, if your credit cards are maxed out, you can find for sale by owners in your area. You can call them with those 3 questions and you can meet them tonight. And I hope you fail on the first one. And I hope you fail on the second one, as long as you get the third one. You know what that means? You got a listing this weekend, and fail on the 4th and fail on the 5th and win the 6th, and fail on the 7th and fail on the 8th and fail on the 9th and fail on the 10th and win the 11th. By Monday, by Tuesday, you have 3 new listings. Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number 1, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information and a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.